Hey guys, so welcome to this video. Guys, I just want to tell you something that I saw in one of my marketing tests. Okay, I will give you more details on this marketing test in a future video, but I will give you one quick snippet view. Okay, so guys, like I am spending just $30 to put my advertisement in a particular website, okay, which affiliate marketers are interested. And what I noticed is like I'm getting 40 to 70 clicks per day, and I am like sending them to a free offer. Okay, if you are watching my YouTube video, then you will get an idea what kind of marketing I'm doing. And once they take the free offer, I am giving them one upsell offer, okay, one SLO. And what I notice is like this upsell offer is a $1 plus $9 per week offer. Okay, before, back in the days, I used to, my first upsell used to be a $49 offer after a $1 offer. Okay, but what I noticed is like, guys, like my conversion rate is not that high. So Frank Kern once taught me that like if the product that you're selling is awesome, if you have the confidence, okay, then give this offer as a $1 trial. Okay, let the people try it for 3 days. So when you give your offer as a trial, instantly your conversion rate will skyrocket. If you look at my sales funnel, almost all my products I give them for a $1 trial or a free trial, because I'm that much confident about my product. Okay, so guys, like the first tip that I want to tell you is like if you are selling your products, make sure the offer that you make, okay, is a $1 trial. And the sweet spot that I have noticed is 3 days. Let the people try your product for 3 days. Like if you give them for too long, then not everybody is honest, right? Like I have seen that like some people get the content without paying, they will cancel. Okay, and I see them through my Mouseflow account, they coming back to the page again and again even though they cancelled. Okay, but if you give them 3 days trial, then the good thing is like you gave them enough to let them know that what you're giving is awesome and it's worth at least 10 times the price you're charging. Okay, so as a result, these people will be ready to pay higher amount. Okay, so the first tip that I want to tell you is like, guys, in your sales funnel, all the products, give them a $1 trial. Okay, and this simple tip will skyrocket your sales because number one, like when it's $1 trial, more people will be able to sign up for your product. Okay, and this will only work if the product you're selling is awesome. Okay, and since the product you're selling is awesome, they will see like, wow, this is amazing. And as a result, higher percentage of the people who took the $1 trial will end up making the payment after 3 days. Okay, so either way, as long as your product that you're selling is good, like I believe like if what you're selling is not good, then better you not sell your own products, sell affiliate offers. If you have good products to sell, then you can do this tip. Okay, because if you are selling junk products, then it's not a good business model, because in the end you will fail, you will not win, because you know it will not work out at the end. Maybe you will make little bit money here and there, but then like house of cards, it will fall down. But if the product you're selling is good, then do this tip and you can double your money. Okay, not only $1 trial and the number of customers you're getting, but also the these $1 customers will end up paying more money to you after 3 days. Okay, so the first tip is always have a $1 trial with 3 days of time to try out. The second tip that I want to give you is like something that I've been noticing, like how can I say, well, I am promoting a pretty expensive product, but I am not asking them to pay that full expense right away after the $1 trial. I am telling to them to I am telling them like, why don't you after the 3 days trial, why don't you pay it in installments? Okay, like for example, like even $297 product, like not everybody will be able to spend $297 right away. But at the same time, like, so even if the product is good, they took the $1 trial, and even though they want to take the $297 offer or pay $297, they may not be able to because it's expensive. But at the same time, if you can give them a payment plan, so $1 trial now, then after 3 days, instead of paying $297, they have to pay $30. Then they have to pay $30. Then in 10 installments, they will be able to pay $300 to you. Okay, so you understand the meaning, right? So basically, it's $297, but in 10 installments, if you make it, then more people will be able to buy. So not if your product is good, then people will want to buy, but not everybody will be able to spend $297, right? So when you make the offer like $1 trial for 3 days, then after that 10 installments of $30, not only more people will be able to take the $1 trial because they'll be like, okay, I can spend $30 in a month or in a week, but also your business will skyrocket very quickly. Okay, so I highly recommend you to use this kind of offers. Like you can see a lot of like $1 plus $9 per week offers. Like I'm only charging them $9 per week, and more people will be able to afford it. So when they see like they only have to pay $9 per week if they like it, then what happens is like more people will end up taking the $1 trial. And from the people who take the $1 trial, when they fall in love with my product, what happens is like they will be happy to pay $9 per week after 3 days. Okay, so use these 2 tips, that is using a $1 trial and 3-day time for trial, and also after the trial make the offer such a way that they don't have to pay the full amount, but they only have to pay installments. Okay, so guys, I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for your time, guys. Like, share, subscribe and comment on this video, and see you in the next video. Thank you.